Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use color scales in Excel. Color scales offer a fantastic way to craft a visually appealing data table that provides a clear overview of the maximum, minimum, and middle values. Let's get started. To utilize this function, begin by selecting the data range to which you want to apply the color scales. Navigate to the Home tab, locate Styles, and click on Conditional Formatting. There are several functions hidden here in the Conditional Formatting section. All of them come quite handy when you need to present your data in a clear way. We'll go for color scales. In the window that just appeared, you'll find two types of scales, one with 3 colors and another with just 2. Opt for the first one, green, yellow, red. Excel instantly applies a scale in these colors on the selected cells. Red marks the minimum, green for maximum, and yellow for the middle values. Now let's explore how to customize the color scale, or if need be, remove it altogether. To edit the color scale, click on any cell with the formatted data. Retrace your steps to conditional formatting and select Manage Rules. Opt for Edit Rule in the appearing window. Here, you'll find various options for editing color scales. For simplicity, we'll cover the basics. You can choose between 2-color or 3-color scale and pick specific colors. Let's opt for a bold red for the minimum and an intense green for the maximum. Confirm with OK. Click OK again. And behold, as Excel adjusts the scale according to your chosen settings. For removal, select Clear Rules in the Conditional Formatting section, then click on Clear Rules from entire sheet. And that's it. The color scale has been removed from the table. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.